Hmm? Lip sync. Lip sync is one of the most important things in animation. If you think about it, animators treat lip sync almost like a body language. It is just another way to make a character feel alive without even moving the whole body. Hey, but it's also a pain to do, especially in FlipaClip.
Bah.
And that's why I decided to show you guys how to lip sync in FlipaClip like Jaiden Animations. So for today, I will be showing you guys how to make your character say, "Oh man, I'm tired." Whoa, awesome! Yeah! And if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to subscribe and let's get to it. So I'm using 1080p for my canvas size, 24 fps and a white background as always. You can also use 720p for your canvas size, 12 fps and any background you like. Don't worry, it works great. So as you can see, I have already drawn the character and added the sound. If you don't know how to add a sound, you can check out my other videos. Alright, now let's start by adding a new layer and naming it lip sync. By the way, I'll be using those mouse shapes for this example. You can find them in my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Now, let's start lip syncing. Oh man, man. Oh man, I'm tired. Oh man, I'm tired. Oh man, I'm tired. Oh man, I'm tired. To be honest, when you are doing a lip sync, it doesn't need to be perfect, trust me. So yeah, keep it simple, keep it clean, and that's it. Bye.